Hey everyone, so here we are going to talk about some of the features of Galaxy S10 series phone. So this video will be applicable for Galaxy S10e, S10 and even S10 Plus. So here we are having Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's get started in this video. So if you want to apply live wallpaper on your S10 series phone, just pinch your screen, go to wallpaper and search video. So it will give all the video wallpapers which will be available. Just click on the download. Once you downloaded the live video, just click on the apply and see how intuitive it looks. So just click on the set as a wallpaper, and now when you unlock your phone, you will find pretty interesting wallpaper that looks pretty great. So if you want, you can even use this feature while recording a video. It supports a 15-second video. So if you are having a 15-second or less video, what you need to do is that you need to click here and just go and click on set as a wallpaper. So it has already been set on the lock screen, and boom, here it is. So now moving to the next feature, how to bring notification panel to your screen just by swiping anywhere on the screen. To do that, you need to just pinch your screen, go to home screen setting, and here you will find quick open notification panel. Just turn it on and boom, so here you are having the notification panel. And here comes the pro tip. So if you want to have the full notification drawer in single swipe, just swipe with your two fingers and you will have the full notification drawer access. How to enable a single tap AOD screen? To enable this function, go and search for AOD and click on details, and here you will find always on screen display. And if you want, you can set for show always, show as a scheduled, or tap to show. I like the feature tap to show, and here you can adjust the brightness also if you want. Just turn the auto brightness off, and also if you want to change the clock style, you can do here. Just go to the settings and you can change whatever the clock style you want. You can go for this or this, and there are number of there. Also you can change the color. I love the blue one, so I will go for blue, and boom, once you have done, so just single tap and you will find the AOD display here. You can even change the brightness and all. Just double tap it and boom, that's pretty amazing. Even if you want, you can change the orientation also. So now it's in the landscape mode, and if you want to change to the portrait mode, just click here and that works well. And if you want to enter to the lock screen, just tap twice and you are on the lock screen and enjoying the live wallpaper. So by default there is no LED notification on your S10 Plus. So if you want to have the LED notification by using edge lightning, go to your setting, then to your display and scroll down. You will find your edge screen. Go and click on edge lightning. So edge lightning as always if you want, and if you want you can even choose. There are number of multiple styles. I like this bubble one, and if you want you can even change the color. If you want you can even go for custom color, and if you want you can enable different colors to the different apps. And once you've done that, click on done. And also there's a edge lightning interaction. So once you receive the message, just swipe it down and you can open it on the pop-up notification, and you can pretty much reply it also. If you swipe left, you can disable the notification, which is pretty great. So here comes the next trick. If you want to enable pop-up call, go to your keypad and go to setting and enable show calls in pop-up. So now if someone calls, the calls will be coming in the pop-up mode, not on the full screen, which is pretty great. So now heading to our next trick. So now you can use this feature known as Wi-Fi sharing. And what you need to do is that you need to turn your Wi-Fi on, and to enable it, what you need to do is that you need to turn on Wi-Fi sharing on your hotspot. And once you have done that, you can share your Wi-Fi. Let me show you here. So now my hotspot will be showing that I have one connected user. You can see here, and also my Wi-Fi is working, which is pretty great. So this Wi-Fi sharing feature is really very great and really very helpful if you want to share your Wi-Fi without telling the password. So S10 series phone works pretty great. You will find that the animation feature is little bit annoying. So you can turn that animation feature and it will look like that your phone is really very fast. Do that, go to the settings and then to the advanced features. Here you will find reduce animation. Just turn that on and it will look like it's your fast. If still you want to reduce the animation, what you need to do that, go to the about phone and go to the software information. Just press the build number 7 times and you will be in the developers mode, and go to the developers options. Scroll down, you will find animation duration scale. Turn it to the 0.5x. even to the animation scale, window animation scale, everything just turn it to 0.5 and you will find your phone to be really very fast. Look at here. Boom. So it looks pretty fast. So now moving to the next trick. For that you need to go to the settings and go to the about phone. If you want to change the default name of your S10 Plus, you can change it pretty well. Just type the name you want and boom. If you want to read the notification without going to the app, it's pretty easy to do that. For that, what you need to do is that you need to go to the settings and then to the notifications, and here you need to enable app icon badges. If someone sends a message, just long press it and you can read the messages. Here comes the next trick. So you will find that the battery indicator by default will not be here on your screen. So now I'm going to show you how to enable the battery indicator. For that you need to go to your settings and then to the notifications, and here you will find, just click on the status bar and here you will find the show battery percentage. Just turn it on and now you will find your battery percentage. So if you want to change the navigation buttons to the screen gesture, what you need to do is that go to your setting and then to your display, and here you will find navigation bar, turn on full screen gesture and boom. Now you can use your gesture just by swiping and that works pretty great. So here comes the next trick. If you want to unlock your phone, you need not to press any button. Just take it in your hand and it will unlock automatically by using your biometric. To enable that you need to go to the settings and then to the advanced features. Just turn on lift to wake, double tap to wake, smart stay, smart alert. Now when you lift your phone and it will be unlocked automatically, you need not to press your buttons. Now here comes the next trick. If you want to enable one hand mode, just turn your one hand mode enable into the advanced feature, and now when you swipe from the side you will find that you can use one hand mode, which is pretty great and everything will work pretty great. So if you want to send a message, boom, you can do it. Wow. And if you want to go to the full screen, just tap outside the screen and here you will find that you are in the full screen. To enable this feature you need to turn on the wireless power share mode, and here you will find a blue light indicator when you turn on the wireless power share mode, which shows that it's ready to share power, and it will be shown on the heart rate sensor. So now let me grab my Galaxy Buds. They will start charging and now the LED notification will be changed to red from blue, which is pretty great. So now you will be knowing that you are sharing power, and once you remove it you will find it will be again blue, which means it's ready to share power. So these are some of the tips and tricks for your Galaxy S10 series phone, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed my channel till yet, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest video notifications.